So today we're going to be talking about handling cloth diapers. If you are new to the cloth diapering world or you're interested in cloth diapering, this is probably one of the biggest concerns you have. So I'm going to be showing you how I clean a couple different diapers. Just a heads up, there is poop in this video. There's also toilets. And because I'm a mom of 2 kids under 2, there's also some screaming children in the background. Promise no one was harmed in the making of this video. It was just bedtime and they were a little grumpy. Alright guys, time to talk about the gross stuff. I am in my bathroom and my washer is going, so pardon the noise. So here is a wet bag. This is a Kangacare wet bag. They're small, but they hold a ton of diapers, so you will like them. So I'm going to show you 3 different kinds of diapers. One is just a pee diaper, has nothing in it. It's a BumGenius Elemental all-in-one. One is another BumGenius Elemental all-in-one that has that had poop in it. It's been rinsed. The other one is a Kawaii diaper, a pocket diaper that I believe just had pee in it, but it's a pocket diaper, so I'll show you how you empty those out in comparison to the BumGenius. And then the fourth one is another BumGenius diaper. I just changed my daughter. These are actually all recent. I've got 2 kids under 2, so diaper changes happen quick, fast. So there's 2 that we just did and 2 from before dinner, and we didn't have a chance to get them, so that's what we're doing now. So if you take a look here, this one is just a pee diaper. The reason that I really like these BumGenius all-in-ones is because there's nothing I have to do other than tossing it in here when I'm done. This one, my husband rinsed out for me. I told you guys there'd be poop. So this one is kind of gross. My husband rinsed most of it out. I'm going to rinse it a little bit more. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to put that one to the side. This one just had a poop nugget in it. See little skid marks, but it's not really all that dirty. This is a cloth wipe. I'll show you guys about cloth wiping later. You'll see another one in here. So with the pocket diaper, what you have to do is reach in here, pull this out. If you don't mind touching it, you can yank it out. Or you can just pull. So most of the time pocket diapers aren't bad, but they get bad when you've got, as you can see, a nasty poopy diaper you're trying to clean out, and then you got to reach up the back. That's when it's not fun. So this is a bidet. My family is stationed in Italy, and one of the joys of our house is that it has a bidet. When I was stateside and did not have a bidet, I used the toilet, and I'd flush the toilet and you just hold the diaper down in there. And I'll show you guys that in a second. What I do with when I do have my bidet is this. This is on hot right now, and if you guys don't know, bidets are for your booty. You sit on them and it cleans your butt. So this is just an extenuation of the toilet, which I have poop that I cannot get off of here. I'll clean that later. So yeah, as you can see, I haven't had to touch the poop. I just gotta rinse like this, and wow, my washing machine's loud. So what I do is when I'm done, I'll either turn the water off, or I'll leave it on, and then I just roll it from the outside in like this to get some of the water out. What you don't want is a sopping wet diaper, because although your wet bag is going to keep it from making a big mess, what your wet bag is not going to do is hold everything from a sopping diaper. So as you can see, it is almost wash time for us, so our bag's pretty stuffed. It can still hold more, it just requires me to shimmy it a little bit. So this is freshly changed poopy diaper. This one is not that bad, I'll be honest. As your kids get bigger and they start to eat more things and poop gets nastier, there are some moments when cloth diapering is not that fun. But it's become a lifestyle for us, it's become normal, and it's a lot cheaper. So as you can see here, got a cloth wipe, toss that in there, and then I got some poop. Because this is solid poop, I'm going to show you guys how to dump it here. I always lift the toilet seat, that way you don't get poop on the toilet seat. And one of the things you can do with a solid poop is from the outside, as you can see, I'm just shaking it. It's gross, but it's how it works. And then I flop it. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this, but the way that I do it is I take this part that has no poop, and I take the front that also has no poop, I grab it like that, and then we call this a Dunkin' swish or Dunkin' flush. So I'm going to flush. Oops. I'm going to flush. So, and then swish. And that should get most of the poop off. And as you can see, it's not 100% clean. It needs to be put in the washing machine, but it is mostly clean. And so then what you do, just like I did in the bidet. Sorry, angle's off. You do that, and then into the wet bag. And then you zip it up. If it was time to wash it, I would take it all and dump it in the washing machine, but that's another video. So that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful, and leave me a comment if there's any other videos you want to see.